Good morning, dear my students. I am glad to see you. Welcome to this my lecture one. ICT role in key sectors of development of society standards in the field of ICT. Lecture plan. Definition of ICT, subject ICT and its purposes. Second, main directions of development of ICT. Third, standardization in ICT is ICT and program of the UN of the sustainable development of the millennium. Definition of ICT. ICT is an acronym that stands for Information Communication Technology. ICT is a technology required for information processing, in particular the use of electronic computers, communication devices, and software applications to convert, store, protect, process, transmit, and retrieve information from anywhere, anytime. Information. Information refers to the knowledge obtained from reading, investigation, study, or research. The tools to transmit information are the telephone, television, and radio. Information is knowledge and helps us to fulfill our daily tasks. Communication. Communication is an act of transmitting messages. It is a process whereby information is exchanged between individuals using symbols, things, or verbal interactions. Communication is important in order to gain knowledge. Technology. Technology is the use of scientific knowledge, experience, and resources to create processes, products that fulfill human needs. Definition. What does information and communication technology ICT mean? Information and communication technology refers to all the technology used to handle telecommunication, broadcast media, intelligence building, management systems, audiovisual processing and transmission system, and network-based control and monitoring functions. Also, ICT is often considered and extended synonym for information technology. Its scope is more broad. ICT has more recently been used to describe the convergence of several technology and the use of common transmission lines carrying very diverse data and communication types and formats. Main direction of development of ICT. ICT development includes many types of infrastructure and services ranging from telecommunications such as voice, data, and media services to specific applications such as banking, education, or health to the implementation of electronic government. Each of these types has its own trends that vary across countries and regions. One of the most positive trends has been observed in voice communications. In this picture, ICT, science, uh, healthcare, education, banking, business, government. Standardization in ICT. The main role in the development of the information society belongs to international standards. A standard is a document that sets out requirement specification uh, with the line with the lines or characteristics for material products, processes, and services. Standards can also be used to support an industrial or innovation policy. For example, in acquiring new technology. At the international level, level. There is a strong cooperation of organizations that develop ICT standards, among which is International Standardization Organization, International Electronical Communication, International Telecommunication Union, Internet Society, European Computer Manufacturers Association, European Workshop for Open Systems, European Telecommunication Standards Institute, Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers, Open Software Foundation, Object Management Group, etc. The European Standardization Organization, the European Telecommunication Standard Institute, the European Committee for Standardization, the European Committee for Electrotechnical Standardization. The goal were created through a collaboration of the UN Development Programme and the UN Development Group, which commenced and upper unprecedented global conversation among a diverse group of stakeholders over the last 3 years. The 70 goals are very ambitious, aiming to end poverty, extreme hunger, ensure quality education for everyone, improve health care, and gender inequality, protect, restore, and promote sustainable use of ecosystems, etc., to improve social and economic development and inequality. A list of references to explore. Thanks for your attention.